Welcome back from spring break. I hope you all found something fun to do. Today is AMI Day 6. We're going to work on problems number 36 through 42 on the College Algebra Final Exam. Number 36 says determine whether the function has an inverse function. If it does, find the inverse function. Recall from the other day that an inverse function has to pass the vertical and the horizontal line test. We're going to graph this. Calculator y equals x squared plus 5, tilt the graph, and we see the graph passes the vertical line test, but it does not pass the horizontal line test. If we put a horizontal line across there, we'll touch in more than one place, so this does not have an inverse function. Answer C. Let me review. Number 37 says select the graph of f of x equals x squared minus 5 and identify the vertex and the axis of symmetry. Let's go ahead and graph x squared minus 5. And this one's pretty easy to see, but some of them may not be. So we can tell the graph, we can select the graph from the picture. But if you need to identify the vertex, we can do second trace, in this case minimum. If it was a downward opening parabola, we would do maximum. Second trace, and then minimum. It's asking for a left bound, which means we're going to tell the calculator where to start looking for the minimum. And a right bound, we basically have to put one on either side. And then it's going to ask us to get, or we're going to ask it to guess. It's going to find, it says the minimum, negative 5.421 times e to the negative 7. That means times 10 to the negative 7. It means a very, very small number. It means x equals 0. That's so small, the way the calculator figures it. And y equals negative 5. So the vertex is 0, negative 5. The axis of symmetry is the vertical line through the vertex. So the axis of symmetry is the line x equals 0. Vertical line is x equals whatever x coordinate, so x equals 0. So on your, well, x equals 0 is also the y-axis. A on your answer sheet has that graph. And it has the vertex is 0, negative 5. And the axis of symmetry, instead of saying x equals 0, it says the y-axis. A is your answer.